The tale of KFC's inception, stemming from a humble gas station chicken recipe, is a testament to the resourcefulness and creativity of its founder. Once upon a time, a man named Harland Sanders embarked on a journey that would forever change the culinary world. Little did he know that his name would one day be synonymous with finger-licking good chicken. This is the story of how Harland Sanders became the legendary Colonel Sanders, the face that would grace every KFC restaurant. In the year 1890, a remarkable individual by the name of Harland Sanders entered this world in the humble town of Henryville, Indiana, nestled within the borders of the United States of America. His early life was filled with ups and downs as he took on a range of different jobs, from working on a farm to conducting streetcars and selling insurance. Back in 1930, Sanders decided to set up shop in Corbin, Kentucky. Alongside his service station, he had a cozy little dining area where he graciously served meals to weary travelers. This is where his culinary journey began, as he delved into the world of cooking and honed his skills in perfecting his signature fried chicken recipe. Sanders' fried chicken recipe journey was far from smooth. After countless years of trial and error, he finally achieved the ideal combination of herbs and spices that would later be known as the iconic original recipe. This recipe, with its unique combination of 11 herbs and spices, is still kept under tight wraps. Operating out of a gas station, Sanders' fried chicken quickly became a favorite among both locals and travelers. With the increasing demand, he decided to broaden his horizons and relocated his operation to a more spacious restaurant in the vicinity. The charming establishment, affectionately named Sanders Court and Cafe, boasted an expansive dining area and a cozy motel for guests. In 1936, the governor of Kentucky bestowed upon Sanders the honorary title of Colonel as a token of appreciation for his significant contributions to the state's cuisine. This recognition came as a result of the continued popularity of Sanders' fried chicken, which had managed to capture the attention of many. With a wardrobe change that included a white suit and black string tie, a new persona emerged: Colonel Sanders. Back in the 1950s, Sanders embarked on a journey of sharing his chicken recipe with fellow restaurant owners. This generous act allowed them to savor the flavors of his secret blend of herbs and spices. In return, they paid a franchise fee and a percentage of their sales, becoming part of the ever-growing network of chicken enthusiasts. And so it began, the rise of the KFC empire. Back in 1952, a momentous occasion took place as the inaugural Kentucky Fried Chicken restaurant made its grand debut in Salt Lake City, Utah. The visionary behind this culinary venture was none other than Pete Harmon himself. The name Kentucky Fried Chicken was selected to highlight the southern roots of the recipe and distinguish it from other fried chicken establishments. In the 1950s and 1960s, KFC underwent a period of remarkable expansion, spreading its wings across the nation and even venturing into international markets. The company's unique combination of herbs and spices, along with its memorable branding and marketing campaigns featuring Colonel Sanders, played a significant role in establishing its position as a renowned fast food brand worldwide. Sanders' discovery of his famous recipe was no mere stroke of luck. A meticulous and deliberate approach marked his culinary endeavors. He dabbled in different cooking methods, one of which was pressure frying. This technique accelerated the cooking process, ensuring that the chicken remained juicy and flavorful. This technique quickly became an essential element of KFC's cooking process, playing a pivotal role in ensuring the unwavering quality of its delectable fried chicken. Sanders possessed a remarkable culinary talent and a keen sense of business acumen. He grasped the significance of branding and crafted numerous marketing strategies to promote his fried chicken. One of his most remarkable endeavors involved the development of the iconic Kentucky Fried Chicken logo, which showcased a lively portrayal of Colonel Sanders. The logo quickly became a symbol of the brand, setting KFC apart from its rivals. KFC's rise to success aligned perfectly with the booming fast food industry in the United States. With the growing popularity of fast food among Americans, KFC seized the opportunity to cater to their needs by diversifying its menu and enhancing its efficiency. With the addition of mashed potatoes, coleslaw, and biscuits, KFC became the go-to place for satisfying home-cooked meals to accompany their famous fried chicken. KFC's influence extended far beyond its delicious food, leaving a lasting mark on both American and global culture. KFC quickly became intertwined with the culture of numerous countries. representing the spread of American influence and the embrace of contemporary ideals. The iconic red and white striped buckets and Colonel Sanders' imagery quickly became universally recognized symbols, surpassing any language or cultural barriers. Colonel Sanders was more than just a savvy entrepreneur. He embodied the spirit of giving back and taking care of his community. His life was filled with a multitude of charitable endeavors, from providing aid to local schools, churches, and community organizations. KFC has a long-standing tradition of giving back to the community. One of their notable initiatives is the KFC Colonel Scholars Program, which aims to support deserving students by offering scholarships throughout the United States. Colonel Sanders and his original recipe played a significant role in KFC's success. However, the company has also demonstrated a commitment to innovation and adapting to evolving consumer preferences. Throughout its history, KFC has continuously expanded its menu offerings, including the introduction of grilled chicken and sandwiches, in order to cater to the evolving preferences of health-conscious individuals. In addition, the company has fully embraced technological advancements. They have introduced mobile ordering apps and have even ventured into the realm of delivery services, all in an effort to cater to the ever-changing demands of their valued customers. In the present day, KFC has an extensive global presence, with numerous restaurants scattered across the world. This has solidified its position as a highly recognizable and extensively spread fast food chain. Across various continents, this company has expanded its reach to encompass a wide range of markets, from Asia to Africa, Europe to the Middle East. It has skillfully tailored its menu to suit the unique palates and preferences of each region. With a rich and fascinating history, KFC has always been quick to adapt and stay ahead of the game, constantly responding to consumers' ever-changing preferences and market dynamics. From introducing plant-based alternatives to expanding its digital footprint and enhancing sustainability initiatives, KFC is dedicated to staying relevant in a highly competitive industry while upholding the legacy of its founder, Colonel Harland Sanders. Throughout its journey, KFC encountered various challenges despite its remarkable growth and success. During the early years, Sanders encountered some financial challenges and was forced to sell his original restaurant in order to overcome them. Furthermore, as KFC grew its presence both domestically and globally, it faced various obstacles, such as logistical complexities, cultural disparities, and rivalry with other fast food establishments. Throughout the years, KFC has shown an impressive knack for adjusting to evolving consumer tastes and dietary fads. In response to the increasing desire for healthier choices, KFC has expanded its menu to include options like grilled chicken, salads, and wraps, appealing to those who prioritize their well-being. In addition, the company has taken steps to decrease the amount of sodium and trans fat in its products, demonstrating a dedication to providing healthier options. KFC has always been committed to keeping its customers engaged and satisfied by constantly innovating its menu, going beyond its core offering of fried chicken. Among the offerings are temporary promotions, like the unveiling of fresh flavors, sauces, and side dishes. Working together with well-known brands and famous personalities has played a significant role in creating buzz and attracting customers to KFC restaurants. In today's fast-paced world, delivering outstanding customer service is essential for achieving success. KFC has made significant investments in training programs to ensure that customers consistently receive friendly and efficient service during their visits. In addition, the company has incorporated technology-driven solutions, such as self-service kiosks and mobile ordering apps, to enhance the ordering process and provide greater convenience for customers. Ensuring top-notch quality and food safety is of utmost importance for a renowned global restaurant chain such as KFC. In the present day, KFC has established itself as a prominent player in the global fast food industry, boasting an extensive network of thousands of restaurants spread across over 145 countries. From its modest beginnings in a gas station kitchen, KFC's remarkable triumph showcases the extraordinary spirit of entrepreneurship, boundless innovation, and the timeless allure of a meticulously crafted recipe.